welcome to Newton Gate Academy, where we make your dreams come true. I'm Shweta ma'am, and today I'm here with another topic, that is the types of variable, like scope of variable, that is local and global variable. In this video, we will be discussing the difference between the local variable and the global variable. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's begin the topic. So the scope of a variable is categorized into two parts, local variable and global variable. Scope defines that from where we can access the variable. Is it available is it accessible throughout the program, or is limited to a certain block of the code? Okay, so in that case we use the global and local variable. Local variable means when we want the accessibility of a particular variable should be within a certain block. In that case we use a local variable. But if I want the variable should be accessible throughout the program, then I used to declare those variable as a global variable, so that I don't need to declare it again and again. Okay, global variables are accessible by all the functions which are going to be declared inside the class. But in case of local variable, the variable which is defined locally inside a particular block, then that will be accessible only within the block. Okay, so here let's understand the concept of local variable as well as global variable with the help of a proper example. Okay, so here the following code you can see, I have created one variable int x. This int x is a example of a global variable. This one is a global variable, means it can be accessible from anywhere. Okay. Next, as we know, the execution of a program starts from main system.out.println main function. So here I have created an object. Why? Because as fun is a non-static variable function, so I need an object to call this. Here I have again created one more variable int a equals to 20. It is again a local variable. Its scope is limited to this block. Means if I am trying to access, I will try to access this part in another block, then it will generate error. Okay. Now here I am calling the function obj.fun. As soon as this line will be triggered, the compiler moves to the definition of fun. It is written int y equals to 20. Again, it is a local variable belonging, its scope will be in between this part. Okay. Now here y equals to 20. A equals to 20 and y equals to also 20. Clear? Now here both of them are a global variable. This one is declared inside main function, this one is related inside fun1. Okay. Now system.out.println global variable equals to x. So here as it's a global variable, this block, this particular variable is accessible from main function as well as from fun. Means even if you have written here system.out.println x, then from here also it is accessible. Why? Because it's a global variable. It will be accessible from all the functions which are declared inside the main function. Clear? So it will not generate any error. It will just print global variable x. As the x does not contain any value, so it may provide a 0, because the default value of integer is 0. So it will give you 0. Okay. Now the next line is local variable of fun1 equals to y. The value of y will be printed because this y belongs to this function. So it will not generate any error. It's a local variable. But when this line will be executed by the compiler, this line will generate an error. Why it will generate an error? Because the scope of A is limited to this block. It's a local variable belonging to main function. It will not be executed or accessed by any other function because it is declared as a local variable. Okay. So here this A can be accessible only by the main functions, not by any other function. That's why the following line will generate an error. Same way, if I try to access y inside this main function, it will also generate an error. Why? Because the scope of y is limited to the fun one. Okay, same with the scope of a is limited to main function. So this is the difference between your global variable and local variable. Global variable are accessible throughout the program, but local variables are accessed only where they have been declared, inside that particular block where they have been declared. Clear? So this is the difference between local variable and global variable. Clear? So I hope the concept of local variable and global variable is clear to you. But as if you are having any queries related to local variable, global variable, then you can comment below. Okay. So if you like the video, so please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay. So see you in the next video with some different topic.